Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am not in the kitchen. I wanted to do a little video showing you guys a few stuff we did for Halloween, and it was a fantastic day. It started from activities at the office, and of course, our yearly gathering with my sister and family on taking the kids for trick-or-treating. So this year we had an office event, and we usually do every year. So I decided I was going to do the outfits for our theme this year. So we were actually Katrina or Las Katrinas. We actually ended up being called Coco Loco. That's okay with me, but it was so much fun. So I picked up all these tutus. I picked up some flowers from the Dollar Tree. I glued these beautiful flowers. And we also had the pretty headpiece as well with the different colors, with the actually red and black, which is what I chose. And I tell you what, I love my team. We are, I tell you, team players, okay? So of course this was so much fun with the girls. As you can see, we're here getting our makeup on. And this was actually really nice. We picked up these stick-ons, these beautiful green and red stick-ons. See how pretty this looks? I'm trying to show you guys what it looks like here. Mine was actually a mess, which was good because I was able to figure it out and do it correctly for all the other girls. And yes, girls, as you can see, when I tell you we had some fun, we had some fun at the office with the girls. And you know what? With the guys too. Mr. Joshua right here, he is such a trooper. I love him. I'm going to show you guys some of the pictures and stuff we took. And guys, when I tell you this was so much fun in the office, it was a blast. I was exhausted by the time I was done, but it was phenomenal. We had a really great time. And yes, guys, guess what? Yep, we won first prize. It was so much fun. And yes, my friends, we actually did a little performance, and it was so funny. And when I tell you funny, it was funny. Check this out. I think we were really all really in it. We had a blast, guys, as you can see by this video. And Mr. Joshua here in the back, he was the icing on the cake. I have an amazing team, guys, and I am so lucky to work with everyone. You know, we spent 8 hours together. We might as well have some fun as well. And guys, I said it, we won first prize. Yes, we did. So after the office event, we ended up, my family, my husband and the girls, ended up at my sister's Marilsa's neighborhood, which we go every year because it's just so much fun there. I'm not saying my neighborhood is not any fun, but we don't have any kids like we used to. I've been in my neighborhood for about 20 years plus, and I've seen all the kiddos pretty much graduate and go to college, so it's much of an older crowd now. But I tell you, I love the fact that we can do this every year and we get to dress up. And although my girls are in a stage that they want to look cute rather than doing something creative as a family, you know what? I'll take that. I have to accept things change, we change, kids grow. We got to move on. But I tell you what, this was so much fun. My sister and her husband are so creative. This is my sister, Maddie, looking all fabulous. And this is my brother-in-law, Jason. And this is Marilsa. She is truly playing this role. Love her. And you know what? My husband, Hector, just scared her. We love to scare each other. We like to do these things, guys. So I just wanted to show you all the cuteness she always, put outside. And when I tell you, this is a neighborhood where everybody decorates. And it's just house after house, beautiful decorations, and definitely so welcoming. And here is this lady right here, moi. Listen, we are a fun crowd. And you know what? I haven't even had a glass of wine. So can you imagine the fun we have? Listen, my friends, life is too short. Okay? Be silly, have fun. Who cares? This is the way I see it, guys. Life is but a minute, my friends. Have fun. Just have fun. Now, this is funny. This is Marilsa, my sister Marilsa, all scared because she is just throwing all this fake blood in her driveway. And she is asking Hector, I hope this comes out. And my husband, he's like, it should. So we shall see. I haven't heard from her, so I'm assuming she was able to get it out. So my friends, I sure hope you have enjoyed this short video. I am going to leave you with some pictures we took here at the end. And guys, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. Cheers. Much love. Bye-bye.